We are here at the shipyard electrical workshop to witness the testing of generator circuit breakers. We have critical tests ahead of us today. Under voltage trip simulation using the variac, instantaneous trip response, short time delay, long time overcurrent, manual charging mechanism. Each test validates a layer of protection. Let's probe it on.
Okay, first faulty. Now we cannot switch on.
At what level will it close?
150 approximately. You see on this.
Yeah, more or less 150.
3-second delay.
2, 3.
And also when we switch on, change the to make a set point. The 0.5 seconds, and we see which point it's tripping. It's approximately 1, 3, 1, 2. Oh, you see, it's okay. Okay. On this, we can measurement from Instantaneous to LTD. Instantaneous on this.
So we will start with
Yes.
Instantaneous.
We make setting 2 times this current. On multimeter should be approximately 5.3. In real current, it's, you see, approximately this. It's very good. It's okay. I must switch off the this
switch off LTD and
yes,
STD.
make bigger setting or
Or-
on this model
or
we
off.
can switch off, but
Yeah.
sometimes we cannot. When we cannot, we make higher. Setting. Okay. Okay. From current transformer and this remember the maximum value. You see,
5.51.
It's okay because they have plus minus 20%. It's okay. Okay. You see
Reset.
also the LED inform that it's trip. It's different light to long time delay and the same lamp to short time and also Instantaneous. We reset. Instantaneous short time delay we have 2.5 multiply this current. So on our multimeter should be yes. And on our multimeter it's 7.5. It's tripped 7.4.
Słuchaj, bo tu jest ten, ze statku, są ze statku i Marek mi puszcza wyłączniki. Nigdy ja sobie wyjdę. Ja miałem po was jechać, ale muszę iść.
7.3.
Exactly almost the same. Okay, and also show delay. Bring back 0.4 second. More. It's delay, it's okay. Immersement this, it's okay. Okay, and last part is long time delay. On this immersement on you have setting like this, but immersement because we read this from characteristic, and more accurate is when we immersement on this point. 0.8 multiply nominal current, it's start measuring the overcurrent, but we want test the time delay also, so we multiply this 1.5, we have 960 amps, on our multimeter it's 3.2, and on 10-second setting should be approximately 5 seconds, because it's from characteristic. You also see when the current is higher, you see it's blinking. It's tell us it's overcurrent. I'm measuring the time. I also catch the set point. See. You see approximately on 2.12. It's exactly this. It's good. Okay. Okay.
Timer.
Yes, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. This is I 10, but it's like you see, it's 5.5, 5.4, it's okay. Also measuring I show you. Yes, it's okay. It's good. Okay, and also show you the manual charging. Reset this. We cannot.